Kids, if one is boy, then more than one are what? Hello kids, today we are going to learn singular and plural with beautiful pigs. So, let's go. One is tooth, more than one are teeth. One is star, more than one are stars. One is duck, more than one are ducks. One is egg, more than one are eggs. One is flower, more than one are flowers. One is ball, more than one are balls. One is child, more than one are children. One is apple, more than one are apples. One is bus, more than one are buses. One is boy, more than one are boys. One is cat, more than one are cats. One is girl, more than one are girls. One is dog, more than one are dogs. One is book, more than one are books. One is baby, more than one are babies. One is butterfly, more than one are butterflies. One is bird, more than one are birds. One is tree, more than one are trees. One is chair, more than one are chairs. One is cup, more than one are cups. One is pencil, more than one are pencils. One is toy, more than one are toys. One is box, more than one are boxes. One is fish, more than one are fishes. One is cow, more than one are cows. One is kite, more than one are kites. One is horse, more than one are horses. One is boat, more than one are boats. One is leaf, more than one are leaves. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.